Wow, that kicks. We're shooting on this Titan rifle in 308, the new Zeiss Conquest V6 with a huge magnification range of 5 to 30 by 50. It has a zoom ratio of 6 per. This is the most compact high magnification rifle scope in the industry with only 38 centimeters, that's 380 millimeters length. And it's also the most powerful magnification scope in the V6 line by Zeiss. It has a 30 millimeter tube and the 62 minutes of angle of elevation adjustment. The reticle in this particular scope is on the second focal plane, so it will not magnify nor reduce in dimension while we use the magnification ring. It has a side parallax adjustment. The reticle is not illuminated in this model. And the reticles that are available in this model are the number 6, the ZBR1, ZMOA-1, and number 43. Okay, so some impressions. The reticle is pretty clear. I'm not too happy about the eye relief at the maximum magnification, but it's to be expected with such a huge magnification. About the rest, there's nothing more to say. It's just a Zeiss. That should be qualifying enough. The quality is at the top level. Everything about the scope is just magnificent. What I want to say is that this particular scope with such high power is very well versed for long-range shooting, long-range hunting, but it can also be dialed down to 5 per magnification, so it would be also usable in a middle to long-distance hunting just as well. Plus, we have here another model, 2.5 to 15 by 56. It's essentially the same 6 per zoom version, but with half the power. It's a 30 millimeter tube. This particular version has a Z-rail mounting system, and it has also a illuminated reticle. It has a very wide field of view. It's black matte, anodized housing, pretty tough. The light transmission is 92%, so it's really bright, and it has optimum image for twilight and low light scenarios. Has a number 60 reticle. It's pretty fine. It's also in the second image plane, and the reticle is illuminated with a center illuminated dot.